If you didn't have the row cover, you'd have aphids all up inside of here. They'd just be covered with aphids.
Hi, welcome back to the Organic Gardening, Homesteading, and Woodworking channel, where we like to help you figure out what's wrong with your garden and how to do it right organically. This time we got a really quick update for you on our broccoli. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna just harvest a little bit so you can see what it turned out to be like.
So we made some videos previously showing how to plant it, how to amend the soil for it, and the row cover that we made for it and put over it. You can see that right behind us in just a second. So we will get to it and we will show you how that all turned out. Look at that, by the way. Look at that sunset. That is gorgeous sunset. Look at that, folks. That's pretty.
So we're just gonna take the rocks off the row cover so we can pull it off a little ways. We're not gonna take them all off tonight, but we're just gonna harvest a few. So move these rocks out of the way and then we'll just slide this cover up and see what we got. We haven't been.
Whoa.
I haven't weeded anything in here since.
No weeding.
No weeding, nothing.
Look at that, folks. Would you look at that? Those are not small ones.
Look at this guy. And then
Big
Dandy.
compared to your hands, and your hands aren't small hands.
Yeah, I got big hands. So
My hands down here.
nice sized broccoli heads. So let me cut this off down here.
If I can get in here.
Let's see if my knife is sharp enough to do it. There we go. There's a nice head. There's a little side shoot you come off too. There's a little side deal.
Uh-huh.
And it looks just about perfect for how mature it should be. You don't want these things to be opening up any further than they are. They're just pretty tight still. So they're good. It's good to go. So that's one of the nice heads out of here. You can see there's there's another one there. I haven't even looked in here to see what all is in here.
Here, I'll poke the camera under the canopy here without trying to hurt some plants here. See if we can pan this up and around. Yeah.
Doing good in here.
Those are nice big plants there.
We'll
Beautiful.
call that good for now. We'll harvest more tomorrow, but it's getting kind of late tonight, so we just wanted to get a little quick update, show you what those amendments can do. A beautiful head of broccoli that's organic, and there's no aphids, there's no bugs on it.
Let's have a look down here at the soil. There's one little something grown here. But but you said no weeding, huh?
Oh yeah, I didn't weed, but that's how big the weed got as well. So that's all that there was, just a little weed there. There's probably a few more little ones here and there throughout.
Mm-hmm.
But it didn't do anything. This is the first time I've gone in here to even see what's going on.
Well, I can tell you they've been growing. Those are huge.
Yeah, it wasn't very long ago that it seemed like that we planted these things and made these hoops and everything.
I can look at the date that we did the last video, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, if you didn't have the row cover, you'd have aphids all up inside of here. They'd just be covered with aphids in here if you didn't have a row cover. At least in our area here, it'd be a terrible mess. But this is nice and clean. There's no bugs on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful
Broccoli head. And there's other ones that are different varieties that will take a little longer. This is just one of the earlier ones. So we'll let the other ones stay in a little longer and finish growing out the bigger size. So yeah, that's what it can do. A little row cover, a little good amendments in your soil and some water, drip watering, and it's pretty easy. You can't beat that for good food.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Good stuff.
Well, I hope all of you enjoyed that really quick demonstration of how to harvest your broccoli. There's nothing really complicated about it, but look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Nice.
That's amazing. So you can do this too. It's not rocket science. If you want to know how we did it, there's videos on our channel and you can see exactly how we amended the soil and how we made the row covers and everything. So check those out. There'll probably be a link in the description below, and there's probably gonna be some links for the amendments and things too. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down the section too, down below. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. If you want to be a member, you can become a member of our channel and you'll get priority answering to your comments. If you have questions, just shoot us a question on any video and we'll prioritize answering your question. Anyways, thank you all for being here. And remember, Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life.